guys, welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. And today's video is actually such an apt video because we are into the season of weddings. There are weddings happening everywhere, so I wanted to do this video because a lot of you did actually ask me to do some affordable lehenga haul or affordable ethnic wear haul. This was the best time, and I obviously try out a lot of new websites that can give you some affordable products and at the same time products that can appeal the style or your taste. So that's why I am bringing this video for you today, ladies and gentlemen. We are talking about Mirraw.com. I really hope that is how it is pronounced. When I was browsing through their website, they have some amazing collection for women in the ethnic wear. They also have men's ethnic wear, and they also have some homeware or home decor stuff. But today we are not talking about the men's ethnic wear nor the home decor stuff, but we are concentrating on women ethnic stuff. I was quite surprised by the kind of things that they had. They had so many lehengas available, different varieties of sari, even different varieties of lehenga. I didn't know that so many types and varieties of lehenga actually existed. Then there's so many varieties of sari. I only knew about silk or banarsi or cotton saris, but they have so many designer saris, Bollywood saris, fancy saris, traditional saris. Many varieties of saris are available. And what to talk about salwar kameezes? I mean, they have tons and loads and different styles and patterns of salwar kameezes. Even the Pakistani style of salwar kameez, which is supposedly one of the best styles of salwar kameez, I feel like. So they have tons and varieties of kurtas and kurtis available. I was very amazed and I was very excited. So I have gone for a couple of pieces. I didn't go for a lot of them, mainly because I had a budget constraint, but I will be showing what I got. But I will also give you some glimpses on my left hand side, probably your right hand side, so that you can definitely watch and try this website out if you feel like. So the first thing that I purchased is a sari, guys. I'm an ardent supporter of handloom as a fabric. So that's why I went for the handloom sari. This might not be the most fancy of the saris, but this is definitely one of the most comfortable saris. Everything comes packaged in a bag like this, and Mirraw is amazing. Why? Because they ship across India. Their shipping is free, which is amazing, and they also have cash on delivery options. So most of the time when I am reviewing any website, my first question is, do they offer cash on delivery? Because that is your first question also. If you're not satisfied with their quality, they give amazing customer care support as well. So that all being said, let's talk about the products that I have at hand to show you guys. Yes, I forgot to tell you, they also have tons and loads of jewelry available. So let me just quickly open it and show you the sari. I am pretty sure my young audience will probably not like this sari, but let me tell you, this is one of the most comfortable of the saris I've ever worn. But this one, looking at the color, you probably would know that. Sana, this is again a yellow color. Yes, yellow is my favorite color, and the fabric is my favorite fabric. This is handloom, and this sari is expensive. This was for around 2,900 something, but I know why. Because handloom fabric is expensive. It is all hand woven. There's a lot of effort that goes into it, and this is a dying industry, so we must support it. So that's why I got myself a handloom one. This is by a brand which is called as Dupatta, which is available on their website. I'm not sure if this is available elsewhere, but what makes it really fun and peppy, first of all, the color is really fun and peppy, and then it has some tassel thing on the pallu, which makes it really fun. So it's a very bright and a vibrant sari, which is red and yellow. I'll quickly show you the pattern, how it looks like. First of all, let me tell you, the quality of this fabric is amazing. I wish you could just touch it and feel it, and you would know what exactly I'm talking about. And this was sitting in the bag for a really long time, but it is not that smushed. I was feeling like that this will be all crinkled up and I would need to iron it, but nothing of that sort. It looks pretty fine to me. Almost I can wear it and just can walk out really. And yeah, this is what it looks like. So basically it's all plain over here, and then it dips into this beautiful red color, and then it goes into this border, and then finally dips into this checkered silver red pattern with a border like this. So it has a patla sa border, which is like a thin border, and if you are like short, like I am 5 feet 3 inches tall or short, a thin border always looks better as opposed to a really wide border. So yes, and on top also they have this kind of a border. The best part that I like about a sari is the pallu, and this was quite unique, looked really young and fun to me. So it has all these tassely bits on the end. I think it's such a beautiful sari and really holds well, you know. I wear it and I really don't need a pin or anything. I can just wear it and go about doing whatever I want to. And this is what it looks like. The pallu looks like this. It comes with a blouse piece, obviously. So the blouse piece that they have given is in orange color. So they have given this contrast of color, orange color with this red thing right over here. So definitely this is not stitched. So whatever try on that you're seeing on the screen is on a black blouse, because I'm just wearing it for the ease of this video. So this is the first thing that I got, and it is so soft. It's such a good fabric. I cannot stress this enough. Okay, let me talk about the jewelry a little bit. So they have some amazing jewelry as well available. All probably are ethnic wear, but because as I told you guys, I had some budget constraint, so I went for the really affordable ones. 200 ki range mein. Yes, this is only for 200 rupees. So it came all packed up in this box. I'll quickly open it and show you. So the first one is a very simple one. I just wanted to wear it on a kurta. So this one is an oxidized gold earring, very simple earring, nothing really that I had to talk about. It's very basic, simple earring. Let me just show you. So I wanted one to wear it on an everyday basis, and this is what I got. I loved it, and the quality definitely feels good, and these kind of earrings looks really nice on everyday wear. This was not really pricey. I guess this was in the range of 200 or 250 rupees, and this is in the shape, what is the shape, I don't know what you call it, but this is what it exactly looks like, and looks really pretty. Gold with some transparent things inside of it, with a pearl hanging at the bottom. Traditional, but at the same time very subtle. It's not a very loud piece of jewelry, I would say. So yes, these are two pieces of jewelry that I got from their website, but other than that, they had some amazing big traditional, you know, bold earrings and jhumkas and all of that. So you can definitely check that out. Moving on to the lehenga, guys. Wow. So I got this lehenga for around 16.99 or 15.99. I don't clearly remember the price, and this was not even displayed on the model. But when I saw this lehenga, it was just hanging on the hanger. Yes, it was just hung on a hanger, and I was like, no, I really like that combination, so I went ahead with it. If I can find, I'll definitely get the picture for you and I'll show you. I got it stitched because they send you semi-stitched stuff. They will not get their stitching done, so you will have to get the stitching done all by yourself. Now what I have with me is definitely stitched because I had to wear the lehenga to show you guys. So I love the combination of it, and I feel like I pretty much I definitely have seen this lehenga somewhere, I'm not sure. So let's start with the blouse first. The blouse for 1600 rupees, honestly, it is complete kadhai blouse. It is all embroidered. I cannot tell you, and I'm not kidding you guys. For 1600 rupees, don't mind this puffing thing right over here. It has this, you know, a padding inside of it, just so that if you're wearing a backless bra or something, or a sticky bra, everything is in place. Okay, so yeah, this is what the blouse actually looks like. I will definitely give you a close-up of the embroidery. Yes, there are certain threads or some pieces hanging here and there. I'll show you, but I feel like that is something so minor that I would probably ignore it for the price point, honestly. Then it has a full sleeve. The sleeves are till my elbow, and the sleeve also have a border like this, which is embroidered. This is what it looks like. So I got it stitched like this. It has a big hole at the back of it, so you can probably see the padding. Don't mind that. So it has a big hole right over here, and then there are two clasps. This is how I got it stitched. Of course, you can get it stitched as per you want, obviously, but this is what the blouse of it looks like. Now moving on to the skirt part of it, which definitely is my most favorite part. Now I thought that the fabric will be compromised on and it will not be a very good fabric, but to my surprise, when I received the lehenga, the first thing that I noticed was the fabric of this skirt. It is a georgette material, and it is a very beautiful, and it is a very fine georgette. It looks and feels very nice. I'm pretty sure the quality of this lehenga can transcend on this camera, and it has this kind of a sequin embroidery, but the sequin also has some glittery effects. So when you're walking wearing this lehenga, you're definitely sprinkling some glitter on the way, which I don't mind in ethnic wear. But yes, for some people, you know, a little bit of sprinkle of glitter can be annoying, but this definitely sheds a little bit of glitter. So this is what it looks like. It is not a print material. Every single dot that you see on the lehenga is a sequin embroidery, which of course I'll give you a close-up of, and then it just develops into something like this, which looks so pretty. Now this was just hanging on a hanger, and it caught my attention. I love the style of this lehenga so much that I wanted to buy it, even without having a model wear and display it. I loved it so much. So I'm pretty sure you can see it inside of it. Of course, there's a lining, and it is all very properly stitched with this kind of, what do you call it, bakram or something that keeps the bottom part of the lehenga stiff. But it is so beautiful. It has this kind of a latkan, so you can just tie it. I went for the Nara style of lehenga as opposed to the elasticated one. I don't know why. I don't have that much of experience in getting the lehenga stitched, and I also have a conceal-in zipper right over here. So this is what the lehenga actually looks like. I love how this lehenga looks, and it is so beautiful for the price point. Trust me guys, this is one of my best purchases till now. If I talk about the ethnic wear, probably this is my best purchases ever, and everyone really loved this lehenga. It's beautiful. It is so gorgeous and it is stunning. I love this color combination of red with this beautiful you know, navy blue. It's a beautiful midnight blue, which I really like. Moving on to the dupatta part, which actually again caught my attention for $16.99. First of all, you're getting a complete gota work on the dupatta. It's a net dupatta, and then again they have given this sequin, the same sequin work that is given on the lehenga is given on the dupatta, and it is all over. Trust me, it is all over everywhere. So I really like this fact that they have not actually compromised on, and they have not left sparse places. They have actually covered everything, and I like the embroidery all over. And I guess for the price point of $16.99, I think this lehenga is so worth it. I cannot tell you how happy I am. And yes, I know aesthetically it is not going to be pleasing because I'm just shooting the Tryon in my room, but if I was shooting like other bloggers somewhere in the outside you know, areas, probably this would look much more appealing. But I just want to tell you the ground reality of it. I don't want it to look aesthetically appealing, but I really want you to know how the product actually looks like, you know, close-up shots and all of that. So I really hope you don't mind me shooting in my living room just in a casual way, but I really want you to have the clear picture of the lehenga. So yes, that was the lehenga. I also got an Anarkali. That was one of the Anarkalis which I guess one of the famous TV stars, she was wearing it. Gohar Khan was wearing it, but that was out of stock. I really wanted to buy it, but that was out of stock. So salwar kameezes, kurtas, I know you guys love kurtas. Check out Mirraw.com. They have some amazing collection for lehenga. They have a lot of Bollywood lehengas available as well. So you know, their starting price is somewhere around 1500 or something. What I purchased is from the starting point, but they can go up to 5000, 6000, 7000, and of course as the price increases, the quality definitely improves. So I did not go for that higher range, but in the price range that I have purchased the product, I'm super duper satisfied and I really like it. As I mentioned to you guys, the website interface is very accommodating. It is very user friendly, and then when it comes to, you know, the mode of payment and all, they also have COD. They have free delivery all across India, which is a very good thing. I really appreciate that. Free shipping is always a welcome. And what else? Yes, amazing customer support. So you can definitely check out this website. I'm going to give links of everything in the description box if I can find for all of these, and also to the website as well. So yeah, do let me know what you think about it. And in case if you've purchased anything from their website, do let me know about your experience as well. I would love to know it because this is my first time shopping from there, and I would love to have your experience shared in the comment section below so that we all can benefit from it. So yes, thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Make sure that you're subscribed to my channel if you like the content that I create. I come up with a lot of hauls and reviews of new websites and products. And yes, make sure that you like this video. If you've liked it, hit that bell button as well. That's going to give you the notification of my future uploads. And yes, comment in the comment section below. I love to talk to you guys in the comment section below. So let me know what you think about it. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me in the comment section. I would definitely love to answer you there. So thanks so much once again. I really hope you've liked this video. And yes, I'll see you in my next video very soon. Till then, take care of yourself and I love you very much. Bye guys. Mwah.